Welcome to this .NET PDF Library tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to work with bookmarks in a PDF document using the Syncfusion .NET PDF Library. This includes adding, modifying, and removing bookmarks. First, I will open an existing ASP.NET Core application, where I have already installed the Syncfusion PDF.NET Core package. To get started with the Syncfusion PDF Library, check out the video link on the card above, or the description below. Now, let me show you how to add a bookmark to a PDF document by clicking this button. Take a look at the document. There are no bookmarks. I'm going to add a bookmark. First, I open the index.cshtml file, clear out the existing code, and add an Add Bookmark button. Next, I go to the Home Controller class and import the required namespaces. Then, I define an action method with a return type action result. In this method, I create a file stream instance to load the PDF file with appropriate file access options. Using that stream, I create a PDF loaded document instance and then create a PDF bookmark and add it to the document using the add method. I set its destination to page 1. Apply bold styling to the bookmark text. Set its color to red. And specify the destination location. I define a helper method, createFileResult. In this method, I create a memory stream, save the modified PDF, reset the stream position to beginning, close the document, and return the file for download. Lastly, I call the createFileResult method. Now, I save and run the application. When I click the button, the modified PDF is downloaded. As you can see, the specified bookmark has been added to the PDF. Next, I'll show you how to modify this bookmark. First, I add a Modify Bookmark button and define an action method with a return type, action result. Inside this method, I create a file stream instance with the appropriate file access options. Then, I load the PDF using a PDF loaded document instance. Next, I create a PDF bookmark base instance to access the bookmarks in the document and retrieve the bookmark I want to modify. I then update the bookmark's destination to page 2. Change its color to green, and apply bold text styling. I return the modified document using the createFileResult method. When I click the button, the PDF is downloaded. As you can see, the bookmark is modified to match the specified destination, color, and style. Next, let me show you how to remove this bookmark. To remove this, I add a Remove Bookmark button and define an action method with a return type, iActionResult. In this method, I create a file stream instance with the appropriate file access options. Then, I load the PDF using the PDF loaded document instance. Next, create a PDF bookmark base to retrieve the bookmarks in the document. I remove the desired bookmark using the RemoveAt method. Lastly, I return the modified document using the createFileResult method. Now, when I click the button, the PDF file is downloaded. As you can see, the bookmark is removed. That's a wrap. In this video, I showed you how to work with bookmarks in a PDF document using the Syncfusion .NET PDF Library. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format libraries if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.